This is a continuation of properties of numbers. During this video, we are going to just look at two properties, and that's the commutative property and the associative property. The first example is the commutative property. This property states that the order in which you add or multiply numbers does not change their sum or product. So for any numbers a and b, a plus b equals b plus a, and a times b equals b times a. So if we look at this in number form, 4 plus 8 equals 8 plus 4. Or 7 times 11 equals 11 times 7. So it doesn't matter which way you write these numbers, the answer still turns out to be the same. The associative property tells us that the way you group 3 or more numbers when adding or multiplying does not change their sum or product. So for any number, a, b, and c, if you grouped a plus b and then add c, it's still going to equal if you add a plus grouping b plus c. And for multiplying, if you first multiply a times b and then multiply c, that's going to equal the same thing as if you multiply b and c first and then multiply by a. So in number form, if we have 3 plus 5 plus 7, if we group the 3 and 5 together, that's going to still equal the same answer as if we group the 5 and the 7 together. So let's do this example. 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 7, and that's going to equal 3 plus 5 plus 7, which is 12. So now if we're adding both of these together, 8 plus 7 is 15, and 3 plus 12 is 15. So if you're solving with the associative property correctly, you should have the same answer on both sides of the equal sign. And this stands true for multiplication as well. Pause the video to complete this lesson review. Make sure to show your work to receive credit for watching this video. When we're using properties of numbers, the best way to learn them is to practice them over and over and over again. So make sure to refer to your notes when you're completing these practice problems and any problems in the future to memorize these properties.